Hello, Lakefield, and welcome to another election. At Lakefield District Secondary School, we use the STV voting system. This stands for Single Transferable Vote. Now, some of you may be wondering why we use this system instead of the simple first-past-the-post system. One of the reasons that we use it is because people often get upset when not their first or second choice get chosen. Their vote seems to be lost at this point. So in single transferable vote, no votes are wasted. This means your vote always counts, even if your first choice doesn't get elected. As a result, every candidate must get at least 50% plus 1 of the vote in order to win. This makes the system more fair overall. So how does STV work? Let's look at an example where more than 2 candidates are running for one position. You would rank your first choice with the number 1. You would rank your second choice with the number 2. If you have a third choice, you would rank that with a 3, and I'm sure you can see how the numbers would follow from here depending on the number of candidates. From here, the ballots are counted. The person who receives the lowest number of votes is then dropped from the ballot. In this case, it was the voter's first choice. As a result, the voter's vote moves on to their second choice. From there, the person with the lowest number of votes is also dropped, and we continue doing this until we're down to 2 candidates and one gets more than 50% of the vote. When voting for your class representative, you will choose 2. Your first 2 choices should be ranked as number 1 and number 2. From here, you are free to rank as many choices as you like. Counting will now take place the same way as it did in the first example, where we drop the individuals with the lowest number of votes and then recast the second choices and onward. This happens until 2 individuals get the majority of the votes. What happens when there are just 2 candidates running for one position? In this instance, a simple X will do, as one candidate is guaranteed to get 50% plus 1 of the vote.